These tools like ChatGPT are not meant to replace us. They're good at kind of doing some of that research and coming up with that rough first draft, like get us 30 to 70% of the stuff that we need. And then we got to kind of do the refinement and the polishing. And this is a really good example of where we're really moving towards. It's not natural intelligence versus artificial intelligence. We're actually moving towards hybrid intelligence, where we're trying to augment our own human capabilities with machine abilities to take advantage of the strengths what AI brings to the table with our own. And when it comes to AI, especially generative AI, it's great at like generating or producing, but not creating. And that's where we still come in, the ability to imagine, think, first of a kind. This whole thing about prompt engineering, that's really the trigger for these things. You don't have like ChatGPT just sitting there by itself thinking, I'm totally bored, I'm going to write a book. Everyone's kind of labeling ChatGPT like the Google killer, that you don't have to do a Google search anymore and go through a bunch of different pages. ChatGPT can actually synthesize that. I experienced this firsthand where I was asked to do a fireside chat. When they were about to introduce me, they actually said they had ChatGPT research me and wrote the intro bio. So they were reading it and I was like, wow, it's pretty good. But it actually came up with some stuff I had forgotten about. It was really good. I'm like, I even asked for a copy. But then during the fireside chat, the moderator even said like, okay, in full disclosure, every question I have was also written by ChatGPT. And most of those questions were spectacular. They were really well thought out, deeply researched. There were a couple of really funky questions, but again, if you can get 70% of the way there, that's pretty good.